Okay, the warm-up exercise is envie de faire une surprise. I want you to say that 5 times, and I want you to say it quickly. So let's make it difficult, right? Learn to say it. First, say it slowly. You can say it slowly a few times, making sure that you are closing down on that faire une, faire une. You need to make that pop, right? Just like I explained on the previous step. Faire une, faire une. I am bringing down the soft palate. So first, if I want to practice it slowly, I can say fait, the eh sound, and then breathe out fait, fait, fait. And I'm breathing out, which forces me to close the soft palate down, which helps me feel what it feels like, because I know that many of you didn't even know before today that you had a soft palate, right? So fait, I can feel what the soft palate feels like. I'm aware that I have a soft palate now. And now I can just bring the soft palate down and pop it back up as I redirect the breath back for the une, faire une. But notice between the faire and the une, my tongue does not change position. I keep it touching the inside of my lower teeth. Faire une, faire une, faire une, faire une. This is what happens in a lot of French. Your lips are moving, moving a lot, but your tongue is immobile. Faire une surprise. And I need to close down for the surprise too. Surprise, faire une surprise. Envie de faire une surprise. Envie de faire une surprise. Say that 5 times and then move on to the oral gymnastics in the next step and keep the same tongue position while you do your oral gymnastics. Pay attention to whether or not you have the reflex, the English reflex, the English speaker's reflex, to pull your tongue back and fight against that. Push that tongue forward. Envie de faire une surprise, envie de faire une surprise, envie de faire une surprise, envie de faire une surprise. Say that 5 times and then move on to the next step.